Hello everybody, this is Adik speaking. I'm from Shandong Henry Intelligent Block Machine Manufacturer. Today, I was so pleased to try to introduce a particular model which is very special for producing the curbstone. So some guys ask me which block machine is especially for design to produce the curbstone. But normally some clients just produce the curbstone with the normal size. I mean the normal size for the length. The length of the curbstone is only 500 millimeter. So it's called the normal length of the curbstone. But in some countries, some construction company would like to produce a very long curbstone. So the length of the curbstone will be around 1,000 millimeter. 1,000 millimeter. That means it's a 1 meter length. Sorry. So with these special requirements for producing the curbstone, so it has to require a special design model of the block machine to produce such long capstone. So this is what we want to introduce this particular model. This particular model is our QT5-15. So you know why this machine is a suitable model for the clients to choose to produce such long the curbstone is because we customized the mold area is more longer, so the mold size can compare with the very more bigger block machine. So what I mean is the mold area will be more than 1,000 millimeter long. So okay, just I want to show you the curbstones we just finished producing. So you can see with the requirement from our customer. This customer is from Jiestan, from the Middle Asia country. It's Jiestan. So it required us to produce. You can see from I measure it for you. So you can see 100 centimeter. That means 1 meter. Yeah, and the width is only the width is only 80 millimeters. So it's very small. You see, the width is very small, and the diameter is only 200. You can see 200. Okay, 200. So before we took the order from our customer, we are not 100% sure to make this kind of a curbstone to be perfect. But now we are successful. You know why? Because this curbstone, I just told you, the width of this curbstone is only 80 mm. So it's very narrow. It's very narrow, and also at the same time, the height of the curbstone is a little high. It's 200 millimeter. So that means while our pellet fisher system to push out the curbstone from the machine to the block transfer. So that means the curbstone are very easy to be shaking. So if the curbstone is shaking too much, then it means the result will be the curbstone will be fallen down and to be broken down. And sometimes the most of the results is the curbstone will be break down with the crack in the middle. In the middle side, it will be crack. So those results is what we worry about. But now you can see the product of the curbstone is very, very perfect. It's very, very beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. And also from the side surface, from the top side surface of the curbstone, it's very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. So I think our customer will be satisfied with the products we produced. And also I want to give you a professional suggestion for you to select the pellets. You have to buy what I mean is if some clients want to produce such long curbstone, that means they have to invest a lot of money to buy the pellets, because the pellets is so long. What I want to tell you is you have to get a pellets with a very thick very thick of the for the pellets. How much do you think is available? How much thickness of the pellets do you think is available to hold such heavy? Because you know the curbstone is very heavy, 5 pieces, very heavy. So if the pellets quality is not enough, so that means when you use the stacker machine, the block stacker machine, to hold from the side, very side location, to lift up the pellets together with the curbstone. That means the pellet in the middle side, the middle location of the pellets will bend if the pellet quality is not enough. So what I suggest you would better to select the pellets to be 35 millimeter. 35 millimeter of the thickness of the pellets is after we testing many times, try to to afford such heavy curbstones. Okay, what I want to introduce, this one is the curbstone block stacker machine, and it can take two pellets. It can take 2 pieces of the pellets at one time, so it can to improve the production, how to say, the frequency, so it will give you a more higher efficient working. Take 2 pieces pellets at one time, and you can see the block transfer is more longer. So yeah, and what you can see now, this particular model block machine is our QT5-15. So you can see the mold area is so long, right? So I will measure it. The mold area is almost 1,200 millimeter. It's so long, yeah. And also you can see the mold, and we design 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so many quantity of the reinforcement to try to make the mold box to be so solid, because the vibration of this particular, the vibration force, and also the compressor from the hydraulic cylinder is very high. It's very high. So that means we have to make sure the curbstone mold to be strong enough. So while it vibration and sometimes it compress down, so the mold cannot be cracked. The mold is very strong. Yeah. And also what I want to show you is you can feel the body of this block machine is also will be enlarged compared with the other small block machine. You can feel the, how to see. Yep, it's about 150 millimeter. So, and also the thickness is more than 10 millimeter. The thickness of the iron is more than 10 millimeter. Everything, every part is enlarged and is stronger compared with the normal. And even the body and the back location, which will be hold the material cut. Also the time you want to produce such long capstone, that means the material cut will have enough storage volume to hold the concrete material from the hopper. So that's why we design our block machine, the body and the material cut location. It's so so stronger. It's so stronger. So you can imagine how strong of the block this part location. And even electric motor, we equipped with a more bigger related power for the vibration motor. So it will provide enough vibration force to the the vibration table. Okay, and you can see our now the body of the block machine is not ready, because we haven't finished the painting to be the blue color or yellow color. It's just anti-rust, anti-rust painting. So you can feel the thickness of the army. I will show you, is 30. You see, this one is 30 millimeter, and even the column for the the caps column for the column go down and up. It's also strong enough. So the body is just like the robots. Yeah, the robot's body, I think, is strong enough. Okay, buddies. If you really in the need of the such long curbstone for your, the road size, for the road size construction. And welcome to place the order, and leave your comments on my videos. We will be very happy to to take your order. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.